In sorting batteries, it is best to use the same type if you have them. But in my household, we have a combination of Sunbeam and Energizer, and so that's what I'm going to use. Again, you can use a container like you see in the picture directions, or you can use a piece of paper where you have drawn the battery. You can draw the battery with your child, and you need to label them so that they are looking at the size and they're looking at the label on the battery. So AAA, AA, C, and D. You need to talk a little bit about the size, that AAAs are the smallest, skinniest batteries. AAs are bigger. Compare the C to the D, and do so actually show them that on the battery it says D. So I can match the D on the plate, but I can also hold it there to show them that is the same size, where this is bigger, same size. And then I can show them a C, and then show how that when I put in there, that battery is too small. Or if I put it in here, it fits just right. And then show them the two together so they can see the difference in the size between a C and a D battery. Then do the exact same thing with your AAA and your A. So they're looking both at the size and they know where to look on the battery to find, oops, I have it upside down, sorry, the AAA and the AA. They're in the top. Then after you've had this discussion, you can ask them to sort the batteries. Now, if they get a lot of them wrong, then because for a lot of our students, this is a skill that we hadn't got to yet. For others, they're more than ready for this. But if your child happens to get a lot of them wrong, then you may want to sit down and do it the first time just together. You know, say, look at the size. Where do you think it goes? And if they're not sure, then have them look at the two letters and say, can you find the plate that just has those letters on it? Good. And then put it there and just do the whole activity together. And after you've done that once or twice, then they should be able to, begin to do this on their own. So then the other thing you can do if they're struggling is to actually put and talk about it as you put it there, that this is a small. It has the AAA written on it. It goes on this plate. This one's bigger. It has two A's on it. It goes here. This has a C on it, and it's smaller than this. So match the C, the size is right. Yes, it goes on this plate. And then the D, match the D, fit it in there. Yes, that's the right one, and place it on the plate. Then go ahead and have them do the rest alone. And when they're finished, together look at it and see if they were able to put all the batteries in the right place. And then once, it's good to put your batteries on a paper plate or a pencil, or excuse me, not a pencil, a paper plate or on a piece of paper, so that when that's empty, they know they're finished. And let them take their time. There isn't a magic number to do with these. These just happen to be how many batteries I had in my battery box at home. So when you're finished, look at it and say, yes, these are all AAA batteries. They're all the same size. And you can line them up and show them, yes, these are all double A's. Good job. Both of those are the same size. They are C's. Very good. Then, we need to look at this plate. There is one that is smaller than the rest. With this mini, it's crowded. It's hard to see. So I would take out some of them. These are D's. Very good. Look at the 3 batteries on this plate. Can you find the one that doesn't belong? See if they're able to see the difference themselves. And if they are, let them go ahead and correct it. Awesome job. You found that mistake. You now have them all correctly sorted. If they're not able to see the difference, and a lot of our students do struggle between C and D's and between double A's and triple A's. If this happens, then just take a quick minute to say, see, this battery is smaller. And then look at the letters. This battery says D. This battery says D. Oh, that's a C. It's smaller. Let's take this one and see if it belongs here. And you can look. Yes, they're the same size. They have the same letter. Great job. You're finished.